Today, let's repair a Fluke 15B multimeter. We can see that the components and the underboard are soldered very poorly. And there is a lot of flux residue that has not been cleaned. The main issue is that it doesn't power on. Let's start by testing the current. Okay, I have connected the ammeter. Let's test the power on current. As you can see, the power on current exceeds more than 10 milliamps, which means that the main chip is damaged. So let's start to repair. Okay, now the motherboard has been prepared and cleaned. You can see it looks like a brand new motherboard. Okay, let's test its power on. Powering on seems normal. Let's test the resistance measurement function. This is a 1K resistor. The reading is 0996K. The function is working properly. At this point, it has been confirmed that there's no major issues and the meter has been successfully repaired. Thanks for watching.